Welcome to our 100,000 class medical clean room. This is a fully integrated intelligent protection line for disposable vacuum blood collection tubes.
The first process, virgin medical automatic feeding and melting. Closed injection molding avoids external contamination effectively. DKM blood tube protection line with full electrical injection molding machine features high energy efficiency, zero pollution, stable precision, and quicker response, meeting the high cleanliness requirement for medical applications. The 32 to 72 blood tube molds are supplied by single mold, integrated demolding and forming of raw blood tube blanks. The labeling system accurately applies labels to the tube bodies. Robotic arms automatically pick and arrange protects. We produce multicolor function caps by high precision molds. Different colors match blood routine by alchemistry and anticoagulation test standards. Quantitative sterile reagent filling is completely in dust-free cabin. Filling value can be customized for global medical standards. Automatic online sorting removes defective parts. The tube and cap are assembled tightly by full automatic pressing equipment. This online vacuum test ensures every tube keeps stable vacuum pressure, avoids air leakage and sample deterioration. Automatic counting, sealing, and packing finish by no package. Neat package for global delivery.
If you are interested in this protection line, welcome to contact us.